how to create a new Payoneer account fast and easy. Hello and welcome. My name is Chichi Barnabas, and you're welcome to this channel where we give you all the tools and the tricks and all that you need to become a successful self-published author. And in today's video, I am going to reveal to you a step-by-step process on how you can create a new Payoneer account fast and easy. And if you are new to this channel, please do well to subscribe, like, and share this video. So right now, let's dive in so I can teach you the step-by-step process. Quickly click down below to use the link I've provided for you at the description, because if you do that, you are going to be earning $25 just by using that link. So go to your description, click the first link in your description, and follow along with me as we create this Payoneer account. But before we go right in, I'm going to be giving you a little checklist of all that you will need in order to create your Payoneer account successfully. Now, to create your Payoneer account successfully, here are a few things that we're going to be needing. You will require an email address and a password. Of course, you can formulate a strong password as you go along. And you are going to be needing an address. This could be your home address, it could be your office address, or a permanent address. And you are going to need a postal or zip code in the process. And you will require a valid ID card. Now, pick up an ID card that has your correct names on it. This could be your passport, national ID card, driver's license, or any ID card you have available. Any of these three can serve that purpose. And then you are going to require a verifiable phone number, because at some point a code will be sent to your phone number for that to be verified. And then you will need your bank name, your local bank or personal bank or a business bank, the bank name, the account holder's name, as well as the account number. If you don't have all these items ready, please do well to go and get them right away, because you're going to be needing them throughout this process. And I will be showing you at what point you will need to do what. So stay with me to the end of this video. And at the end of this video, I promise you, you are going to have your new Payoneer account created fast and easy. Now, head over to the browser of your choice. For this video, I'm going to be using Firefox. And once you click on that link that I've placed in the description, then it is going to bring you to this page where you can sign up. You can see it is showing right there. You are going to be earning $25 if you use this link. So once you come to this point, go ahead and click on sign up. And now Payoneer is going to be asking you to find the right account for you. You have options such as freelancer, online seller, affiliate marketer, vacation rental host, individual. You can go with any of these options, but for the sake of this video, I am going to be choosing freelancer or SMB. And then you're going to head here and click get paid by international clients or freelance marketplace. You click over there, and right here you have the register button. So you just go ahead and click on the register button, and then you begin, and here you go ahead and begin the process. If you are a company, you can go ahead and create a company, but if you are an individual, you can go ahead and click on individual. I am going to create this account for an individual. In fact, I'm creating it for my wife, so I'm using her details, and so I'll go with individual, and I'll put the individual's first name here. Make sure that your names that you're going to be putting here corresponds to the ID card you are going to be using. I'm going to be using my wife's national ID card, and the details I'm using there corresponds to her ID card. Please make sure that the names correspond so that you don't get in trouble with Payoneer later on when they call for verification. Putting her first name, going to be putting her email address, going to enter the address, email address again, and I'm going to be selecting her date of birth. And once I've inputted all those details, I am going to hit on next. And next, of course, you select your country. You can use the drop down menu to select the country of your choice or the country that you belong to. Here she's a Nigerian. I'm going to be using Nigeria there, and I'm going to go ahead and put our home address. So I'm going to go ahead right now and put the zip code. I'm going to go ahead right now and put the phone number. And I'm going to click on send code. So a verification code is going to be sent to that phone number I've inputted there. And I'll get the code and then we will continue. Next. And great, we are done with that. So I'm going to re-enter my password here. Now I'm going to be creating a password for this account. Make sure you create a strong password for your account. And then you will pick a security question. You can choose from any of these names, from any of these options, the one you want to set for your security duty. So I'm going to select the last option. And here you can see that you have the option to select from any of these that you can use. You can use your ID card, national ID card, your driving license, or your passport. So I am going to go with the national ID card. So here you will be required to put your ID number. So I'm going to do that right now. So that has been done. And now you can see that there is a code here. All you need is to enter this code over here. It's got to be a 5-digit code. So what I'm saying there is what I'm going to be inputting. So that is done, and I'm going to click on next. And of course you can see that we're almost done with the account creation. And here, of course, if it's your personal account, is what you receive your money from, you will do that. If you want a business, if it is a business account you're using, you can go ahead and do that. And you can select your country here based on your location and then your currency. And of course mine is Nigeria and our currency is Naira. So, and then the next thing here is you are going to be inputting your bank. So I'm going to be using Fidelity Bank for this purpose. So that's the bank name, and that is the account holder's name. And then I'm going to be inputting the account number right here. And then I am going to go ahead and click on agree and agree, and then I will hit on submit. And great, congratulations, it was that easy. The account has been created. So it's already in the review process, and it says I will receive an email confirmation within the next several business days once the application has been reviewed. Once that is done, then I can go ahead and receive payment. So let's go ahead and log into the account we just created so we can see how it looks like. So right now I'm going to be signing in. Well, let's sign in. And great, here they're asking me if they can add an extra layer of security. I'm going to can leave that out, or you can go ahead and turn it on. So for this purpose, let's turn it on, and the code will be sent to my number again. which I'm going to input in order to turn that on. Done. Great, that has been done. So we can copy and save this. So we can copy this and save it in a safe place in case you will need it sometime. I just made a screenshot of it. And then we are going to still go ahead and do one more step to update our security settings. We want to make sure that our account is properly set up to avoid someone breaching into our account to steal our funds. So we have updated all of that, and then we're going to save changes. And now another code has been sent to us for us to verify that. So we're going to input the code quickly. And submit. And done. We have also updated our changes. So now this is our newly created account while we are still waiting for Payoneer to verify and get everything going for us. This is a simple trick. This is a simple step-by-step process. You can create your new Payoneer account. So let's check my email if we have any information so far. So right here we are in our email. You can see we have received 3 emails already from Payoneer. And the first email is for us to verify our email address. So we'll click in there and go ahead and verify our email address. We'll just go ahead and click on the link in order to verify our email address. Great, that's done. It's telling us thank you, it's already done. So we're going to head back and check the second email that we received from Payoneer. And definitely that's the email about Payoneer considering our application. And we have been told that it will take up to 3 business days before our account will be fully accepted and vetted. And then after then, we're going to head back. And of course, remember that we turned on the 2-step verification. So we have received an email to that effect letting us know that our 2-step verification is done. Now let's log in to our Payoneer account. Great, you can see we've now logged into our Payoneer account and everything is set and ready to go. And look at the home and look at the other options that are listed there. Everything is set and ready to go. We're just going to be waiting for Payoneer to take maybe 3 business days or less to fix everything for us to begin to use our account straight away. Thank you so much for staying with me. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do well to do that. And like this video, share it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment down below, and I'll be here to answer your questions as much as I have the time to do that. Thank you very much, and see you in our next video.